Reclaim your kids' old bedrooms. If you've reached the milestone where all of your children are now adults, and have left home to attend college or otherwise pursue life on their own, you may be struggling with the idea of being an empty nester. While for some, this phase can be difficult to navigate, for others, it's a chance to reclaim their space and enjoy life child-free. So what should you do with all of the newly available space in your home? Experts suggest that leaving these unoccupied rooms, just as the kids left them, is a mistake, no matter how hard it might be to rip off the Band-Aid. It is better to go through the process of cleaning out these spaces and dealing with your emotions so you can accept this change and move forward. The best way to do that is to consider how you can put these unused rooms to good use. Check out this month's issue of Home Sweet Home magazine for ideas to repurpose your children's old rooms and get the utmost enjoyment out of your expanded space.